Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me for the month of July. So in the month of June, I made a video because June was the month that I got monetized. June was the month that I got my 4,000 watch hour completed. So you can go and watch my other videos if you've not seen other videos on how I got my 4,000 watch hour in less than 2 weeks. Because if you watch those videos, you're going to learn how you can work smartly on YouTube, how you can get your watch hour fast like this on YouTube. Because I've spent almost 3 years on YouTube. I think I created my channel in 2022, and since then I've been struggling to get my watch hour. In fact, I left YouTube for a while because I was not really seeing the views, I was not really seeing the watch hour moving. So when I returned back to YouTube, I saw that I had less than 200 or probably 200 and something watch hour. So I was now like, oh, how can I do it? And that same month I got my 4,000 watch hour. If you've not watched those videos, you can go back to my channel and watch those videos, because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to tell you that there is money on this space. Yes, you heard me right. There's money on YouTube. So that same month I got monetized, because I'm still building my audience. I'm still having low views. My views are not where I want it yet, but it's definitely going to get there. We are not giving up, especially now that the money is dropping. No leave, no transfer. So my last month's payment, that's my June payment, I got just $3 3 point something dollar, and I'm still grateful for that, because if I was not monetized, at least I won't even have that $3. So I'm happy that at least the money is dropping. To you might be thinking that just $3 and she's happy, but to me that's a huge amount of money, because I know how much effort I put into my channel. I know how much work I put into making, even if it's a video to edit, to script, to film, to do all that, to design something, everything takes time. So for me to consistently show up here, and YouTube is now rewarding me for showing up here with just my smartphone, I can just sit down and make videos, and if anybody watch it, even if it's one view, YouTube will still pay me. So that's something. So with that $3, at least I'm sure that I'm in the program. So this month, the month of July, this particular month I'm filming this video for, that's July, I'm going to show you my analytics, so that you can see that YouTube is sweet. YouTube money is sweet. So let's go straight into my screen record so that I can show you how much YouTube paid me for the month of July. So the thing is, I'm filming this video August 3rd. So you're going to be seeing from July 7th to August 3rd, because that's like a month interval. That's a month. I should have filmed this video a few days ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, when we just started this month, but I just filmed this video today. So you're not going to be saying July 1st, but at least you have the idea of how much YouTube paid me in the month of July. I'm going to show you the total amount, but let me start my screen record now. So this is the amount of view that I got in July. I got 4,000 views in the month of July. These are my top contents. So this video on how much YouTube paid me, I got 1.8k views on that particular video. This second one too, how much YouTube paid, that's 243 views. And this is my short too, how to create international TikTok. So these are the videos, these are my top content, and this is the watch hour I got for the month of July. I got 169 watch hour. That's not bad, because I'm still building my audience, like I said. So for people to stay on my channel for 169 hours, that's something. Even without going live, just by watching my video. Do you know how many minutes makes 1 hour? 60 times these particular hours. So for people to stay in and watch me for that amount of time, I'm grateful for that. So these are my subscribers. I got 68 amazing people that joined us on this particular channel. So I got 68 subscribers for the month of July, and I'm so grateful for that. So let's go to my content now so that you see everything. So these are how viewers find my video: browse feature, suggested videos, channel pages. If this is the way that viewers are finding your videos, you should be happy, because that means that YouTube is pushing your videos to people. YouTube is suggesting your videos to people. It's not like you sharing your video link to external sources like WhatsApp, like Facebook, and so on. YouTube on its own is sharing your video, it's promoting your video on its own. So whenever you say browse features and suggested video, channel pages, you should always be grateful. You should know that your channel is right on track. Even if you're not getting views, at least you know that YouTube algorithm is pushing your video out there. So these are content suggesting me. YouTube paid me 8 YouTube niches how much YouTube paid, because people are really interested. Before they start spending much time on this platform, they want to know how much you are really earning. Is there really money on this platform? Is the money worth the stress? So people are searching for that. They want to know they want to see the evidence that at least YouTube is paying. At the end of the day, they are still going to earn from that, their content also. So many people are searching for how much YouTube paid them. So let's go to my audience now. So for my audience, I have new viewers 93.3%. That means YouTube showed my videos to new people. 93% of new people that watch my video in July are new people. Casual viewer 6.7 and regular viewer is less than 0.1%. So these are my popular videos that people are really watching on my channel. This is the time that my audience is always online, so you can determine when your viewers is going to be online. Like most of my viewers, they're always online around 12 p.m. or 6 p.m. So that's where you know when your viewers are online. And these are the device type: mobile, computer, TV, tablet. That's where people are watching my video on. And these are the age: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54. Those are the age of people that are watching my content, and it determines the amount that YouTube is going to pay you. Like if you have older people watching your videos more, you tend to earn more on YouTube. That's not to say that if you have younger people watching your video that YouTube is not going to pay you. No, YouTube is still going to pay you, but YouTube pays more if older people are watching your content. So these are the gender: male and female. They are both watching my video. This is the place that people are watching my video from, the geography: from Nigeria, from Kenya, and from US. Nigeria is the top geographical part that people are watching my video from, because I'm from Nigeria. So people that are watching my video most are from Nigeria. That's 42% out of the 100% of people watching my content are from Nigeria. 4% are from Kenya. 3.1% are from United States. So other countries are also there, but this is the 3 top countries that are watching my content. And some people watch with subtitles, some didn't watch with subtitles. So the watch time from subscribers, this is where you know if your subscribers are watching your video more, or people that are not subscribed to your channel is watching your video more. As you can see, not subscribed, that's the people that are not subscribed to my channel. They are 83.4%. And the people that are subscribed to my channel is just 16.6%. Whenever you see that not subscribed, if you go to any viral video, you see that most people that are watching your video are people that are not subscribed to your channel. That's because you can have, let's say, 100 subscribers and 5,000 views on a particular video. So it doesn't mean that YouTube is only showing your videos to your subscribers. That means YouTube is pushing your content outside your channel, outside the people that are subscribed to your channel. So you should be grateful if the people that are not subscribed to your channel is more than people that are subscribed to your channel. Because even if you have 10,000 subscribers, people that are watching your video might be 1 million, 10 million, and so on. So let's go to the formats your viewers watch on YouTube. Some people are watching my videos, some people are watching my shorts, some people are watching my live. So let's go to the revenue part. So the amount I got for the month of July. So for the month of July, I made $9.56, while in the month of June I made 3.10. Can you see the progress? So that's to say that even if it seems that you're not getting it right, be sure that you are progressing. At least I'm not moving back. This is times 3 of what I made last month. Times 3. Imagine. And I know that this month of August is going to do better because I'm going to put in more effort in this month. So August is going to be better. In whatever you do on YouTube, make sure that you are improving in whatever you're doing on your channel. Is either you're improving on your video editing skill, is either you're improving on your scripting, is either you're improving on the way you talk on camera. Just make sure that each videos you're always improving. Make sure that you are not where you used to be. If you go and watch my old videos, you see the changes. You see that I'm growing, I'm learning on the job. So whatever you're doing, make sure that you're improving. And for this month of July, I did not post up to what I posted in June, because in July I was really busy, so I didn't really post like that in July. But in June, I think there were some days I was even posting almost every day in June, and still I got 3.10. So you have to work smartly. You have to know what your audience really wants to watch. Like I said, we are going to go into how I made this $9, how I got paid. If it's short that is paying me, if it's live that is paying me, if it's my video that is paying me, we are going to see. Whatever you do, you have to make sure you are improving in whatever you do. Make sure that you are growing. Grow with it. And some days it will be difficult. To be consistent will be very hard, because even editing of videos, some days I still have like 10 videos on my phones that to edit itself I don't even know where to start from. So it's easier for people that have editor. So if you can afford it, you can pay people that will edit your video so that you be showing up more, because it's not easy to be consistent here, especially if you have another job outside YouTube that you are doing. So, and if you want to make money on YouTube, if you want the algorithm to really push your video, you have to be consistent. Consistency does not mean posting every day. It means working smartly, knowing when to post next, knowing what your audience wants, and bring valuable content. Always make sure that the video that you are making, the video that you are posting is teaching something. Even in any niche that you are on, make sure that you are bringing value. You don't have to be into YouTube growth niche before you can make videos on teaching stuff. You can teach even if you even in your lifestyle vlogs, even in your day-to-day activity. You can make videos even in entertainment niche that teach people a lesson, so that people will keep watching you. People will say that okay, you are not wasting their time, because YouTube is a place people come to get something. It's a search engine. People come here to get something, to gain something. It's not like they are just coming here to see random things and just laugh and go off. No, they are coming here to gain. So anything that you are doing, you have to make sure that people are gaining from it. So let's now go into how much I really made on each video. Like I said, this particular video that is on my top earning video gave me $5.24, and is only 2,000 plus views that I have on the video. 2,000 plus views gave me $5.24. And this particular video too, how much YouTube paid me, I had 200 plus views on it, and it also paid me $1.26. This faceless AI too, I had less than 200 views on it on my channel, and it paid me 0.41 cents. So this is how I made my $9.40. This is how I made it. So only one video gave me $5. That's why I said you should keep being consistent. You don't know the video that is going to pay you more. When I remember when I filmed this video, I was like, oh, will people really watch it? Okay, let me just do it. I did not know that this video will even get to 2,000 views. So, and I did it, and the video got to 2,000 views, and it's currently one of my best paying video on my channel. So let's see how much I made on shorts. I made $0.02 on shorts. Some shorts are not even paying me anything. I think only 1 or 2 shorts is paying me. So on short gave me 0.2 cents in July. Let's go to my live stream. So this is how much YouTube paid me for July on my live stream. I got 0.14 cents. 0.14 cents. So, and these are my top earning live stream that I made before my monetization. This is a restream video. Come and eat with my family. It's a restream video that I made before my monetization. That's part of the video that gave me my 4,000 watch hour, because I used restream to monetize my channel. You can check on my channel for videos on how you can use restream also. So it gave me 0.06 cents. This is another video, a restream live stream, 0.02 cents. And this is a live stream that I made on my birthday. I went on live. This is not a restream video, 0.01, and so on. So can you see that YouTube is the best paying platform, best online paying platform for content creators? So if you've not joined YouTube, if you've not created your channel, please start today. Start filming, because there's money on this platform. And the good thing about this platform is that you are your own boss. You can film at any time at your own convenience, and even if you get 5 views, you are sure that YouTube is going to pay you. Even for 1 view, YouTube is going to pay you. So what are you waiting for? Go and start filming right now. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, thank you for always coming back to my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.